Welcome to the Disability Resources Access Testing Tutorial for Students. To begin the test booking process, proceed to the NAU Disability Resources website at www.nau.edu/dr. On the Disability Resources website, please select Students Login to AXESS. This is the welcome screen. On this screen, select Book a Test. This is the student test booking and accommodation screen. On this screen, select Schedule a test, midterm, or quiz. You are now at the NAU Login Authentication site. Log in using your NAU user ID and password to begin the process of scheduling test. This is the online test booking wizard screen. Thoroughly read the instructions for booking a test and select Next to continue. This is the Select Course screen. Select the course which you want to schedule a test. This course list will show all courses which you are enrolled in this current semester. Select Next to continue. This is the test information screen. Using the date picker, choose a date or type in the date manually into the form field. Using the time picker, choose the start time for your class or type in the time manually into the form field. Enter the duration of the class in the text box below, or use the time duration tool to select the duration of the class. Select Next to continue. This is the instructor information screen. The instructor information will auto-populate. If you need to edit this information, enter the instructor name and email in the text box. Select Next to continue. This is the Choose Accommodation screen. This screen will display the testing accommodations which you receive with Disability Resources. Select the available accommodations which you would like to use for this test. You can choose individual accommodation or use the Check All option. Select Next to continue. This is the Alternative Testing Agreement screen. Thoroughly read the Alternative Testing Agreement and then select the checkbox signifying you agree to these terms and responsibilities. Select Next to continue. This is the Select Your Test Time screen. On this screen, select the time which you would like to take your test. The time provided will give you 1 hour before and after the start time of the test. If you need further assistance, call Disability Resources. After you have selected a time, select Next to continue. This is the Confirm and Complete screen. Review all of the exam details. Select the checkbox that you acknowledge all information is correct, and select the Finish button to submit the test request. This is the Completed Submission screen. Select one of these links to return to Schedule Another Test or the main menu. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to use the AXESS system.